Hello guys and welcome back to a new video of Tech World and welcome back to a new series of tech news. And today let's see what are the tech news. And the first news comes from Apple, and Apple is thinking about the present. Yes guys, and all the mobile companies are starting with the mobile phones foldable, but it is starting now. Apple are presenting Apple foldable phones, and the next comes from Oppo, and Oppo is trying a new innovation of sliding selfie camera. Yes guys, and I think the selfie era begins soon. Okay, our next news comes from MI, and MI is going to release a new flagship phone as a globally on March 4 of MI 10 guys. Sorry, Redmi Note 10. And you can see it will be having a trailer has been also read out, and you can see the trailer in the link in the description. And in this trailer all the specs have been released guys. And the next news comes from telecommunication. Telecommunication is going to be a bit costly because all the prices are going to be hiked from April, as they want to meet the GDP of the country. And 5G is coming very soon in India guys. Yes, and all the users can experience 5G. Government has given this application for Airtel and Jio, and it is they're testing the radiation if it is safe or not. And that's all for today guys. If you like this video, click on the like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.